All right, dilations. This is going to be a really quick lesson because we've already done this in our similar figures unit. This is just going to be a quick review with coordinates. All right, so a dilation of 2. All this basically means is that for all of my x's and y's, I'm going to multiply everything by 2. All right, so if I'm multiplying everything by 2, I'm going to be enlarging this image. So a dilation of any number greater than 1 is going to be an enlargement. Okay? Now a dilation of anything that's less than 1 is going to be called a reduction. I'm going to reduce the image. Okay? So let's take a look at E. What's E's coordinates? E's coordinates are 1, 2, 1, 2. So E's coordinates are 2, 2. I want to dilate it by a factor of 2. So I'm just going to multiply everything, both numbers by 2 to get E prime. So E prime should be 4, 4. Next, T. T's coordinate is 0, 2. So T prime, after I do this enlargement, this dilation, is going to be 0, 4. Now, U is 2, 0. So U prime is going to be 4, 0. And then we got M. M's coordinate is -1, -2. So M prime, I'm going to multiply by 2, -2, -4. So here are my new coordinates. We got E prime at 4, 4. And I'm sorry, these should be negatives here. There we go. So -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is going to be E prime. 0, 4, 0, 4, T prime. 4, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. That's U prime. And then M prime is -2, -4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be M prime. Okay, and as you can clearly see, I've just enlarged the image considerably. So a dilation of any number that's greater than 1 will make your image bigger, as you can clearly see from here. All right, now let's go ahead and take a look at a reduction. So for U, see, U's coordinate is going to be -1, 3. So for U prime, I'm going to multiply by half. So -1/2 or -0.5, and then multiply this by half is going to be 3/2 or 1.5. Then we got M. M is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, -5. And then what is that? 1, -5, 1. So now for M prime, -5 is going to be -2.5, and then 0.5, or just half again. And lastly, we got Y, which is -2, -1. So Y prime is going to be half of that, so that's -1, and then -1/2, or -0.5. Now let's just go ahead and do this. U prime is -1/2, and then 3/2, -1/2, and then 3/2, which is 1.5. Then we got -1/2, and then -2.5, and then half, -2.5, 1, 2, 2.5, and then we got half, which is right here. And then lastly we got -1 and -1/2. So -1 is right here, and then -1/2 is right here. So as you can see, the image is considerably smaller. We got U prime, Y prime, and then M prime. And that's how you do a dilation.